Hey guys, Ben Maddox here at Johnson RV in beautiful Sandy, Oregon. The sun is out and we are so excited. It's a Roadtrek weekend. We've even got Mike coming in from the Roadtrek factory this weekend.
Canada Mike.
This is our brand new 2025 Roadtrek Agile all-wheel drive. This thing is loaded, you guys, and it is ready to go. Take it off grid wherever you want. You can see the difference in the height clearance because the all-wheel drive does have a large 600 amp hour lithium battery system, 3,000 watt inverter, 300 watt solar panel. It's got your underhood generator, so if you're off grid, all you gotta do is just turn your engine on. At an idle, it's gonna be rapidly charging your battery system at 8,000 watts per hour. Amazing system. Beautiful silver, full body paint exterior, full length awning, LED light strip on the outside. Roadtrek's one of the only manufacturers that puts these electric steps in, so when you open the door, it goes in and out. Really nice system, and then built-in fiberglass molded step on both sides. Master upfitters for the seats. You notice these have been redone, so they pull the seats out, they reupholster them, recushion them.
It even
Super
says
comfortable,
Roadtrek.
very quiet. Got all your new safety features like adaptive cruise control, active braking, active lane assist, 10-inch touchscreen monitor, LED headlamps. Beautiful padded vinyl all throughout. It's so quiet, right? It's quiet in here, Rudy.
So quiet.
Going down the road, it's going to be pin quiet. You got this solid surface countertop, great size sink, induction cooktop, fridge and freezer built in right here, compressor. It's going to get cold fast, stay cold. In a convection microwave oven. Right here in the middle, you've got your bathroom right across from the galley area, so it's easy if you need to. Just grab a beer out of the fridge while you're taking care of business, whatever you need to do. Great size wardrobe here as well. Check this out. Hang your clothes up in there, store whatever you need to, no problem. And your traditional forward-facing sofa that lays down to a bed, so you can sit here, have a meal, ready to go to bed. You just put this baby down, kick your feet up, watch a show, whatever. It's a great model, you guys. Brand new 2025 Roadtrek Agile, all-wheel drive, lithium batteries, ready for you to pick it up and let's go. I'm Ben here at Johnson RV. Rudy's behind the camera. You can ask for him if I'm not available. We look forward to seeing you soon. I hope you go camping.
Take care.